Hi, Hattie.
Hi, Jennifer.
Hi, Hattie.
Hi, Jennifer.
What's up?
Don't bug me. I'm getting my tummy rubbed.
You are just the sweetest, most perfect dog that I know.
You're perfect, Hattie.
You are perfect, Hattie. Someone is going to love you like I love you. Yeah, she's like, I really like that, Joy.
I can see that.
That's really fun. Thank you.
Okay, but we have to do pictures, and to do pictures, people usually like dogs that sit up. I don't know. There's something about that. People are fussy, aren't they? Look.
Is your tail?
There's a tail. Gosh.
Now, I remember when I first got Hattie.
Yeah?
I had to go in the winter up to my crotch in snow, like a quarter of a mile to this guy's trailer.
Lovely trailer, too.
Yes, and unhook 4 to 5 dogs.
Uh-huh.
And Hattie was one of them.
And the
then,
chain weighed how much? 10 pounds or so.
Oh, easy.
Yeah.
Yep.
It was lovely.
Yep.
Had a town tied out back.
Yep.
Yeah, well.
But she's here now.
She is, and she's very happy, very sweet, loving girl.